How to remove phone number from Google Business. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to remove phone number from Google Business. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open a web browser on your device. Maybe that's Chrome or Safari. Ensure to log into your particular account where you have logged in with your same Google account to your Google Business. Now click on the search bar at top, type in My Business. If you have created your Google Business profile, the list of Google Business profile will be appeared on this section. Click View Profile of your particular business profile where you want to remove your phone number. Click the Edit Profile button at top left corner. Now here click on Contact under Business Information. You can easily click on this edit button for the phone number, add primary phone number, and you can easily save the other phone number which is different from your phone number and remove phone number from Google Business. So that was quite easy and simple. Thank you for watching.